I made this video to hope to inspire other people just to get out there and have a go at fishing. Whether you're fishing off a jetty, a beach, a kayak, a boat, using a drone, whatever it is, whatever the method, just get out there and have a crack. It's good for your mental health, bit of sea air, and it's a bit of fun. Okay.
You had a train of thought to start with?
No, not much of one at the moment.
Oh, okay. That's all right.
I was just going to show the people
Right.
what it looks like when you've driven an hour to a fishing spot, seeing how bad the conditions were, and then you drive an hour home.
That would be us right now.
That would be we're in that moment.
Emoji sad face would be a good description. The
Yeah.
young ones. Yeah. Trying to stay with it. Yeah. Not the best fishing outing, Steve.
Yeah. Should have looked at the swell before we went. That would have told us about. Although I was a bit not okay yesterday with that wind. It was a bit of a risk.
It was more the wind for me. Real exposed out here at the moment. The last thing we need is a drone to fall out of the sky.
Not into that.
That's not cool. We look happy now compared to what we would look like if that had happened.
Yeah.
Hey Steve, I don't even think you would have thought that.
I've seen that look on someone's face.
We've all witnessed that one. It's not cool.
Ever tell you that time that I caught 7 fish, Nick, and you went there?
No, Steve. Would you like to enlighten me about what the experience was like?
It was great. There's
Yeah?
7 of them.
7.
Yeah.
How many?
7.
7.
7 fish.
Wow. That's quite a few fish, Steve.
In 1 hour. Set up, catch 7 fish, pack up, go home.
That's incredible, Steve. You must have been on a real adrenaline buzz.
Yeah. It's just because you weren't there to slow me down.
Oh,
Maybe.
I'm
I
really
don't
sorry
know.
about that. Did anything happen on the way home while you were under the influence of being on such a high?
I may or may not have been speeding 12 kilometres over
Oh,
the legal limit.
that's unfortunate, Steve.
Yeah, it
I
was.
guess you were like time pressured because 7 fish is quite a lot to fill it, isn't it? Maximise that fresh quality.
It's great.
How many were there?
7.
7. Mostly snapper?
Yeah.
Oh, good fish, snapper. I like snapper.
A trevally. I caught a trevally.
Got Trev. That's alright.
What do you reckon? Would you eat a trevally and love it? Or would you use it for bait?
I could eat a trevally and love it.
Would you?
I could.
I've eaten trevally.
Good man.
Yeah.
What'd you think of it?
It's not my cup of tea.
Not your cup of tea. Oh, so you're more of a bait man for the trevally?
Yeah.
At the moment, I'd probably use a trevally for bait too, to be honest.
I was going to use
The
a
price.
trevally today.
But what happened, Steve?
Well, if you see in the next clip, see why that we're on our way home and not fishing.
With an empty chili pot, Steve.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, that's fishing, no, it's not really.
That is fishing.
It's not all glamorous 7 fish in 1 hour, mostly snapper, with speeding tickets on the way home. No. Sometimes it's getting up at ridiculous hours in the morning, going out to your favourite fishing spot, hours driving. Conditions aren't good.
That's right.
So
Turn
you gotta-
around and drive an hour home.
And tell your mate about all these other fishing adventures you did by yourself and caught shitloads of fish.
Double hookup. I don't know how much this weighs. Maybe this will be the 20-pounder.
Oh,
You can't win them all.
one day.
Just gonna use
Okay.
to try.
You're right. Okay, go for it.
780.
That's awesome, eh?
Life's pretty sweet on the West Coast.
Living the dream, man. Living the dream.